Good morning from Key West. I came on here dressed again. Do you see my outfit in this reflection? Yeah, look at me. I'm looking real tropical, real mamacita, and well, it's a lot of overcast. Not so much on that side, but well, no, yes, actually, it's supposed to be cloudy all day. That's what this is. We're about to go on a food tour. Well, not yet. We're about to go up to the galley and eat a little something and then go on a food tour. I think it's eat something, and we don't leave off the boat until 11. It's a walking tour. So, yeah. See you in the galley.
Going down.
Oh, she's there. With a couple of the outfits.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, my dear.
Hi, good morning. You have a tour?
Hello. Good morning.
Thank you.
First time on one since Wednesday. I'm happy my mother reminded me about bringing this fan. She has like a paper fan. Well, not a paper fan, but okay, she's animated. That fan, that kind of fan, that folds. You know, those where them boots on the ground fans. Whoa, close up. Anyway, I got this one. And at first I wasn't gonna bring it because it wasn't gonna fit in my little bag, but this I didn't realize was a hook, so it can hook on the strap. So I got it, and thank God, because it is so muggy. And my little senorita outfit works out. Actually, it fits, because people walking out in swimsuit tops and shorts. I guess they're going to a beach of some sort, but it is very much humid out here. I think it rained at like 8 or 9 o'clock, so now it's just humid. So perfect. Anyway, I'll clock in when we start this tour. What time is it? Oh, I don't even have my phone out. We got 20 minutes left of sitting out here because this tour starts at 11:30 and it's 11:11. So hopefully the time goes by quick. We should have waited inside. That's what we should have did. Had I known it was like this, which we didn't. So look at these guys with these outfits. Hold, please. Their shirts.
Thank you.
Roxanne is gonna tell everybody it's her birthday, and she's gonna take a picture with everybody. Oh, and they gonna sing. Yikes.
Ham, pulled pork, and all of the fixings. After that, we're going to Bagatelle Restaurant, where you're getting a 4-cheese lobster mac and cheese. After that, we're going to...
That sounds good.
You're loving everything so far.
After that, we're going to the seafood market, and there you get 2 of our Key West steaks, which is our shrimp from here. And we'll finish up at the key lime pie cone with a slice of their key lime pie. Alright. Does all of that fit you?
It does.
Yeah,
Awesome.
perfect. Alright, we're gonna start making our way down to the first stop. You did sign up for also a cultural tour, so you're going to be we're gonna be hearing me talk a lot. Alright? Sure. Alright.
can see, I'm back on the ship. It was so hot out there. It was humid, but also hot. Sorry, I came back. I could not wait to get back on the ship so I could take a shower. As soon as I came in, I just plugged up my devices that were dying, and I went right into the bathroom and saw. I don't know why I didn't put on any SPF. I should have. But I saw this morning, there was so much overcast. So much of it. If I go out there now, none of it. The sun was out. It was out. And at that point, it was too late. I didn't spray nothing. No SPF, nothing. So I just had to do. Now I'm about to lay here. I don't think anything's going on the ship. Honestly, I can lay here until dinner time. What time is it? It is 3:42. Dinner's at 6. We can see if something else is going on. I don't think anything else is. But as you can see, I'm perfectly fine with laying in this bed and putting on a movie and chilling. I really think I need that after walking around in that heat. I have the stupidest tan lines now. I have my old one from Aruba. Then I got this one, and it like crosses over the other one. So I'm like 3 shades of brown on my chest. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. I'm so mad. Tomorrow when we go to the beach, clearly I won't make that mistake because I'm going on the beach. But I guess kids, just wear your SPF if you're going to be somewhere tropical or, I don't know, not. It's Key West. I don't know if I consider that tropical. But do it. Don't be like me. I'm out here getting lesson plans thrown at me and I ain't picking up on nothing. So, yeah. But overall, the excursion was good. Would highly recommend it. Everything was good. Not so much that lobster mac and cheese. It was bland. My favorite thing was the taco. Shocker. But that thing had the most flavor. And it was so good. Oh, I love a taco. And then, what do we have next? I gotta look at my phone. I don't remember what we had after the taco. Oh, the Cuban sandwich. That was good too. But I guess it's going in the order that we did it. No, I actually would put the lobster mac and cheese dead last, actually. It would be the taco, then the Cuban sandwich, then the shrimp cocktail, then the key lime pie, and then that lobster mac and cheese. They need to put more flavor in this. Like, it was just noodles, cheese sauce, and the littlest chunks. If I paid for that, I'd be mad. I mean, technically, I kind of did. What my mother did, she paid for this excursion. But, like, if I went to a restaurant and ordered that, I would be mad. Because it tastes like nothing. It's like, even the salt and pepper, like, they didn't put anything, any type of seasoning in that at all. I don't know if I should go get, like, an espresso martini or something. Like, I feel like I need to wake up. Or maybe, you know what? Maybe the nap might be good for me. Who knows? Now I'm rambling, so I'm going to get out of here. I'll pick this up whenever we decide. It just might be dinner. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Let's do photo right here. So let's start from the bottom. So from the bottom you have 6 pieces of oyster come from Washington, some mussel, clams, and then crawfish. 3 kind of sauce, which is sriracha cocktail sauce, Merino sauce, champagne sauce, and pickle of seafood. And for the top, you have blue lobster, become two, king crab leg from Alaska, and shrimp cocktail.
Awesome.
Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Making my fish for me.
So this fish kind of sea bass come from Mediterranean Sea. And madam, this is a boy, madam.
There it goes.
Lemon crab sauce on the side.
Wonderful.
And
Yeah, that's it. But these were only $1. I thought this was
double fisting martinis in the casino. This is a pistachio martini recommended by the casino host, but I had already ordered a espresso martini and they ain't give me no coffee beans, which means I'm not gonna win today. I hope this lady does, sitting next to me for her birthday. Going to the pizza place for a late snack. Me and my mom are gonna split a pizza with our dessert drinks. Don't want that, that's for sure. So do they have arugula? And they have an egg. And they have pesto. You know what I'm gonna get, like I would get from Blaze Pizza? Pepperoni pizza with arugula and pesto. Back in the room. I just saw pepperoni with arugula and basil. You're probably like, I just saw that you had a full meal at the wake. We went to the wake for my mother's birthday for dinner. How are you eating this? Easy. You're on a cruise. You got access to all this food that you ain't gotta cook. You somehow get the will to eat. Because when I left the wake, I was stuffed. I don't know what time it was though. Like 8. My alarm, no. It was like 8. It was definitely after 8. I don't know if it's 8:30. Between 8 and 8:30. We left. They went to the casino and we played. I think I played $80 or $100. And I have 180 something in winnings I have to cash out. So I am up, which is great. So I had that personal pizza is cut into 4. My mother only wants 1 slice because I got she's full. She ain't got the will that I got. So I'm gonna leave her 1 slice. Eat this. We're gonna lay in the bed and watch The Working Man with Jason Statham. That's what she said it was. So I'm going based on her. I hope that's what it's called. Eventually, probably this movie's gonna be watching us. I know it's gonna be watching her at the very least. Eventually, it'll be watching me too, I guess. So yeah, we're staying in. It's, what time is it? 10:37. Which some people might be early. It's a Friday. Well, no, it's Friday, so I actually can stay up later. If I say it's a school night, it's not a school night. So I usually can stay up later, but we gonna call it a night because we gotta get up early. We have a reservation for brunch at 9:15. Depending on if I get up earlier than that, we'll see if we can get seated earlier. Because then we want a spot on the beach, even though there's a chance of rain up until 10 a.m. So, and then it says cloudy all day, like it did say at Key West, but now I know that's a lie. So, yeah, I'll have on sunscreen definitely for that tomorrow. You probably still can't see my stupid tan. You'll be able to see it tomorrow for sure. I'm sure. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.